Bit of a strange one. It's I think a 1990 Autocar. And the loader had me thrown for a loop. I found out it was a Barco 450 loader, and there's a company that makes these little extenda booms for them. So it's Barco to the end of the boom, and the stick is aftermarket. A strange little short truck. Used to be a cement truck, a Lafarge one. All been painted Vanguard colors. Not sure what's holding that grapple out, but really short stick on it. Oh, I see it. The boom extends back and locks the grapple into a little slide plate up there. That's different.
You have to find a buyer. You're going to call the hook and you call.